Llŷr Griffith.
Llywydd, could I ask for a statement from the Cabinet Secretary for the Economy, or indeed the First Minister, in response to comments by Airbus UK Senior Vice President Catherine Bennett to MPs last week that Brexit could add significant costs and red tape to the UK operation. Now, she's warned that Brexit could actually blunt the competitive edge of the Broughton plant, which, as we know, is a key employer of 6,000 workers in North East Wales. Now, given that everything that's imported from Airbus in the UK is imported into the EU, does this Labour government agree with Ms Bennett that our place is within the single market, within the Customs Union and the European Aviation Safety Agency, so that we can fend off other arms of the company, maybe in other parts of the world, who, in her words, are knocking on the door as a result of the situation that we find ourselves in this country?
In terms of the Brexit thing, we continue to call on the UK Government to provide Welsh businesses with the clarity they urgently need. And we absolutely do demand that they do not lose sight of the needs of businesses, workers and potential investors as they, in their approach to the Brexit negotiations. We share the members' concern at the current approach to the negotiations. There have been a large number of opportunities to discuss this in the Chamber, and I'm sure we're all very much looking forward to debating the bill as it comes forward as well. But we certainly do share your concerns.